Refresh and update your old YouTube channel. You can see here we have a YouTube channel that did pretty well for a while, and it's time for me to go ahead and update it because I'd like this channel to actually grow. So here's some tips and tricks on how to modernize your content and follow the current YouTube trends. If you'd like to join me on this journey, please subscribe below. This particular video did pretty well, but it's been up for 13 years, and I'm at the point where I'd actually like to grow this channel's content. So because it's old, because it did pretty well, I just want to update a few things to make sure that I get more traffic. Do is go back and look at thumbnails. My newer thumbnails are a lot more modern, and I'll keep improving them as I go forward, but it's a great place for me to go back to these old videos I have and start to do the thumbnails correctly. The second thing I noticed about a lot of my older videos is that they didn't have the child protection features checked on them. If you go in and it'll give you a nice red box and simply update that to what you think it should be. The third thing I'm going to do is go in and make chapters on a lot of my long form videos, and you can simply do that by putting the start time, a space, and whatever you want to call that chapter. Chapters have to be 10 seconds long, have to have at least 3. Because YouTube does such a great job of translating what you say into text so that it's very searchable, you should go back in and make sure your description is more robust and type in a lot more information into this description box that matches my current video. A lot of my videos didn't have end screens. I'm going to go in and make sure I've selected an end screen format that makes my video more valuable, and hopefully I get traffic to go to my next video. Finally, the last thing I'm going to do is get rid of some of the old videos that got no traffic. I don't see any value to them, and it will help me improve the type of content I'm going to make moving forward.